We're really grateful to Crazy Hats for the amazing donation of £390,000 that's enabled this project to move forward. So we're really looking forward to the new waiting lounge area that the donation's funding, which will give our patients a much quieter area.
I think once this project will be implemented, we will have a complete breast unit up to date and also improving the quality of service to our patient, our community.
As you can see from behind me, we're getting going over at the Kettering General Hospital Trust and the new build works that we're doing here to provide new welfare and waiting space and new landscaped areas for the Crazy Hats charity. It's important that we're able to provide a service that's really going to benefit the users of this facility. So when they come in and wait for their consultations or their treatments, we can provide a better space for them to prepare and get ready for those treatments. So this is the first opportunity through the new SCAPE regional construction framework that we're going to be delivering in Northamptonshire. And the real beauty about the framework is that we're able to get involved at such an early stage of the construction. So way before we start doing what we're doing out on site, we've been talking to the local trust stakeholders and really understanding why this project's important for them, so we can tailor our service to really support our customers in essence.
The whole project is really about the local community. There's a big community effort with this actual sort of scheme that we're doing. It's great to be involved with it. So we're really looking forward to completing this.
We all know that going into hospital can be particularly distressing for some, especially when waiting to be seen for an appointment. Therefore, providing an appealing and comfortable space with a renovated, accessible and really welcoming garden area attached will hopefully go a long way in helping improve the experience for patients, their families, visitors and staff.
I think the garden space will be really valuable for our patient. Once they're in consultations, there's lots of discussions and it's obviously a very emotional and stressful time for them, so being able to come somewhere outside in green space I think will allow them some time to just sort of absorb that information without being in sort of a really busy waiting room.
Yeah, I think it will provide a really calm, quiet environment as well, because I think when attending any hospital appointment it can come with a lot of anxiety and worry. So I think just having that outside space will certainly help, hopefully relieve any nerves.
This has been a unique project whereby we've been able to have regular communication with the hospital as well as the charity and get them involved in what their passions and their wants are for this project. We're very keen to leave a legacy after we've finished on this site, really embed our company culture within the Northamptonshire community, to reach out to charities, to social enterprises, to make sure that we're giving people a chance to utilise us, use us, take our skills. We've volunteered at baby banks. We've been able to place people in employment who perhaps face barriers to employment. We always, wherever possible, look to hire locally, to spend money locally, and that's no different on this site. If anything, being able to have that communication with the charity has only inspired us to go above and beyond and to bring even more passion to this project.
Thank you to Crazy Hats and all of their supporters for this sizable donation to Northamptonshire Health Charity, which has enabled this wonderful project to happen.
We just think the space will be invaluable really for the patients and for us, and we're really, really grateful that Crazy Hats have led this project and for everyone who's done their little bit of charity work in order to raise the funds so that this could be made possible for them.
I'm really excited to be able to come back at the end of this project to see what's been achieved, to see the final result that Stepnor have been able to give to the hospital along with everybody involved. I'm very fortunate that I get the privilege to see it from start to finish. To have that comparison at the end is going to be amazing, and I'm sure it's going to be a welcomed asset to the hospital, but an incredibly beautiful space.
I would like to thank Crazy Hat, this charity that they work for many years, and I work with them. Now this garden, I think it will be their legacy also in this unit.
Crazy Hats have supported the hospital and breast care service for the last 20 years. The charity itself had raised about £3.4 million over that 20-year period, and Kettering General Hospital itself has received around £1.4 million over that period, which is, again, has just been a fantastic achievement of the charity. And again, just like to thank local people for their generosity that's enabled Crazy Hats to make this donation. And we're really proud and pleased to have received the kind of final legacy donation of Crazy Hats, the £390,000. So in addition to thanking Crazy Hats, I'd also like to thank Stepnell for their commitment to social value and also their assistance in delivering an amazing project that many people are going to benefit for many years to come.